How do you turn a piece of wood into art? Today I'll show you step by step how to create a true jewel, a handmade coffee table. All you need is a piece of olive wood. The more twisted and imperfect it is, the more spectacular the result will be. Add some fully dried natural flowers, a mold in your desired shape, and the main ingredient, high-quality epoxy resin. A great example is Artline-Resin.eu. Once everything is arranged in the mold, we pour the resin and let it cure. After it hardens, the real work begins: leveling, sanding, polishing, and applying the final coat. Stay tuned until the end to see how this beautiful handmade piece comes to life.